गोय फुटबॉल संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष म्हण डॉक्टर कायतानो फर्नांडीस हांची निवड जाल्या. जाल्यार उत्तर गोय उपाध्यक्ष म्हण जोनाथन डिसुझा आनी दक्षिण गोयचो उपाध्यक्ष म्हण आंतोनियो पांगो हांची निवड जाल्या. फर्नांडीस हांकां 83 मतां तर सावियो आलेमाव हांकां 47 मतां आनी जोस वेल्विन द मेनेझीस हांकां 29 मतां पडल्यात. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Vision plan to prepare what is lacking for one football. Make village people always ask them what your requirement is, what your financial condition is. Then I got to know, see, I have put on paper, not like just visually come and tell media that I am doing this. No, I have put on a paper that tomorrow you should come and question me whenever there is a AGM, what you have provided on the vision plan, did you achieve this or not? So that's the reason I made it this. I am now happy. Let me work. You can ask me after 6 months what you have achieved.
What will be your top priority now that you are a GFA?
See, first of all, we have to pro league. We have to start immediately. That already I have asked. I am ready to sponsor it. Then second is the prize money. Last 8 years is pending. Then dealer ground retuffing, that is there, and other like offices which we have promised in our vision plan. Yeah, zonal offices, all the side like North we will Duler, Margaon, Salgonkar sir has asked, he is giving his office to them, so we can place there also. So this is my immediate priority. And don't worry, आता फुटबॉलाक गोंयकारांक GFAक दिवपाची गरज ना. तुम्ही तुमचो विश्वास आमचेर दवरला तो आमी तुमकां फूल हे करून दितले. एंड वी हॅव 10 years प्लॅन GFA. सो आय विल से नाव आतां फुटबॉलाक दिवपाची गरज ना.
What is your plan for village football?
वी हॅव मेन्शन देयर इन विजन प्लस मेनी प्लॅन्स आर देयर. ग्रासरूट लेवल, वुमन प्लॅन आर देयर. We have to select and see all. I will consider everyone together and